Hello guys, myself Robert. It's good to see you, and welcome to the world of CTTI. CTTI can be simply told as the best institute for learning in and around coastal Karnataka. The institute is best when teaching matters with affordable fees. CTTI Computer Education provides the finest facilities of labs with the latest technology. We take more advantage of the latest technology to display the efficiency and performance we can achieve. Here, along with the course careers are developed, we provide more practical-oriented training. We provide varieties of software courses. Python and Java Basic and Advanced. Framework. Full Stack Developer, Web Development. CCNA. Cloud Computing. MCSA. Software Testing. Data Analyst and Science. We also have hardware and networking, and video editing, graphic and web designing. For more information, please visit our institute. Opposite Hotel Rupa. Below, Baskin and Robbins Ice Cream Parlor, Balmata Road, Hampankota, Mangalore. Call 9972198683